Hi friends, welcome to TS Films 46. As you all can see, today we are working on the stickers exactly. The main important thing is the colors. Printing colors are 4 colors. You have to design all of your stickers in CYK colors only. Designing process, what you do in your cell phone or in your system, that colors will not print exactly the same in the printing machine. So for that you have to design it in certain colors only in CS6. This is my whole PC. This is where I design all the things. Because if you don't know how to design, go to any designers or else you can contact me how to design the logos or else any flux or anything, and I will design in a proper CYK colors and the output gonna be exactly the same. And already I designed it TS Bikers logo exactly, and it is in my system. I will show you now. We will go to my PC. So in this I will show you. See, we designed already this TS Bikers exactly. So this logo is completely black with white circle and with all the names. So this is all the colors that you see in this. It's exactly the same. How after I printed, it will look exactly the same. Like blue will appear like blue, and all the colors, all the neon lighting on the side also, it will look exactly the same. So this is the design that what we did, and I'm gonna just take out the print right now. So this is how the print looks exactly, how the colors and everything gonna look like. This is how the complete sticker looks like. I'll show you the gum, how it's gonna be. This is gonna be like this. This is a proper sticker, and this is how the sticker is. This is back side and this is front side. The gum is beautiful, and this is non-tearable. This is, you cannot tear. This thing just goes like this, but you cannot tear it. This is all plastic. This is plastic. This is not a paper, and this is a waterproof exactly. You can put it directly to your bike or your helmet. See, this is TS Films 46 promotion video. The t-shirt that I am wearing, it's my own design and my own printing that we did it on this. Every logo you can just cut and print with the iron box. The normal t-shirt, the regular print. This is Honda Civic logo. My company logo exactly is my beautiful Suzuki Hayabusa that I printed on the Batman t-shirt exactly, and this is Hayabusa logo. You can print your own jackets. Like I am using this jacket on my Suzuki Hayabusa. So this is all branded. This is what I designed the whole jacket, including my name and the Suzuki Hayabusa. Backside it's a beautiful Suzuki Hayabusa logo with Suzuki branding name. My sticker is written over there. This shop is located near Marriott Hotel, Tangman. You have to take a left, and the shop will look like this. This is the shop. If you have any requirement, if you have any design work, you can just give me a call. We will do everything, including caps, t-shirts, mugs, keychains, every single thing we will print. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.